Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error code, that is 0x80072EFD or 0x80072EFE or 0x80D02002. So if you're receiving these error codes on your Windows 11 computer, then please follow the steps shown in this video. So here you can see these are the error codes, and here you can see make sure there are no firewall rules or proxies that block Microsoft download URLs. Take a network monitor trace to understand better. Refer to firewall troubleshooting. This is from Microsoft. To fix this, you have to disable proxy and reset the firewall using the following commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So type in cmd in Windows search box and then make a right click on command prompt app and then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow and run all these commands one by one. So copy this, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now once this is done, run the second command, hit the enter key. Now run the third command, hit the enter key. Now run the last command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now once this is done, you have to restart your computer. After the system restart, you should not receive these error codes. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.